Cardano value equivalent to 7.0183 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.97407.0569. The earlier day close, 6.9461. The change was plus 0.0722, plus 1.04%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 6.78 rands, high 7.25, low 6.31. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 6.91 rands, high 7.39, low 6.43. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 6.72 rands, high 7.19, low 6.25. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 6.78 rands, high 7.25, low 6.31. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 6.91 rands, high 7.39, low 6.43. In multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 6.75 rands, high 7.22, low 6.28. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 6.59 rands, high 7.05, low 6.13. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost 6.58 rands, high 7.04, low 6.12. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 6.56 rands, high 7.02, low 6.10. Cardano gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 6.72 rands, high 7.19, low 6.25. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 6.86 rands, high 7.34, low 6.38. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost 6.98 rands, high 7.47, low 6.49. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 6.89 rands, high 7.37, low 6.41. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost 6.73 rands, high 7.20, low 6.26. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 7.04 rands, high 7.53, low 6.55. In 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, May 29, cost 6.74 rands, high 7.21, low 6.27. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 6.35 rands, high 6.79, low 5.91. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 5.97 rands, high 6.39, low 5.55. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 6.06 rands, high 6.48, low 5.64. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 5.93 rands, high 6.35, low 5.51. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 5.90 rands, high 6.31, low 5.49. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost 6.16 rands, high 6.59, low 5.73. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for May 2023. Before all else cost at 7.23 rands. Excessive cost 7.53, while low cost 5.55. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.57. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.97, change for May 17.4%. Cardano conjecture for June 2023. Before all else cost at 5.97 rands. Excessive cost 7.22, while low cost 4.73. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.75. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.09, change for June 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 5.09 rands. Excessive cost 5.56, while low cost 4.84. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.17. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.20, change for July 2.2%. Cardano conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 5.20 rands. Excessive cost 6.14, while low cost 5.20. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.57. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.74, change for August 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 5.74 rands. Excessive cost 5.84, while low cost 5.08. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.53. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.46, change for September 4.9%. Cardano figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 5.46 rands, excessive cost 6.77, while low cost 5.46. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.01. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.33, change for October 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 6.33 rands, excessive cost 6.33, while low cost 4.95. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.73. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.32, change for November 16.0%. Cardano figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 5.32 rands, exorbitant cost 5.32, while low cost 4.16. They found the middle value of cost 4.82. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.47, change for December 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 4.47 rands, exorbitant cost 4.50, while low cost 3.92. They found the middle value of cost 4.28. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.21, change for January 5.8%. Cardano estimate for February 2024. To start with cost at 4.21 rands, exorbitant cost 4.67, while low cost 4.05. They found the middle value of cost 4.32. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.36, change for February 3.6%. Cardano cost expectation for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at 4.36 rands, exorbitant cost 4.36, while low cost 3.61. They found the middle value of cost 4.05. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.88, change for spring 11.0%. Cardano gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 3.88 rands, exorbitant cost 4.76, while low cost 3.88. They found the middle value of cost 4.24. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.45, change for April 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 4.45 rands, exorbitant cost 4.45, while low cost 3.48. They found the middle value of cost 4.03. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.74, change for May 16.0%. ZAR to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 0.1425 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1417 minus 0.1434. The earlier days nearby 0.1440. Change for now 0.0015, 1.04%. Rand to Cardano estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 0.147 coins, high 0.158, low 0.138. ZAR to ADA expectation on Tuesday,